Today, this batch of EA960R4 outdoor commercial LED displays was sent to the testing area for a stringent waterproof performance check. The LED screens were first transported into a sealed waterproof test zone by a dedicated transfer vehicle. Under the supervision of technicians, a 15-minute simulated rain test began, with water pouring down from all directions to fully cover each screen. After the rain simulation, high-pressure air guns were used to quickly dry the surface, and inspectors then opened the cabinets to check the internal condition. Only when all units were completely dry with no trace of water could they proceed to the next step of aging tests. For EagerLED, it is this kind of rigorous testing process that gives customers confidence in the stable performance of the screens under complex and changing outdoor conditions, ensuring every display delivers excellent and reliable performance.